Hello friends, now we are going to do converge of Pythagoras theorem. Converge means just opposite. What is the statement given? In a triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle triangle. Now you will just feel that what you did in theorem 6.8, there you just proved that if angle is right angle, then we proved this upper part, but here the side square has been given and we have to prove that the given angle is a right angle triangle. So for that, first of all, if possible, make a diagram. You have to make the diagram just in front of each other. Therefore, just draw a triangle. Give it name A, B, C. Now we will write here given. Here we will write in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This much information is given and you have to prove that this angle B is right angle. Now one more time I would like to repeat that whenever you are sketching the diagram, draw with the pencil. Now what you have to prove? Angle B is right angle. Angle B is right angle. See, this is just inverse, or you can say converse of Pythagoras theorem. Here in the theorem 6.8, this condition was given, you have to prove this one, but here we have to prove, excuse me, that this angle is right angle when AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now we are going to write proof. In proof we will write that by unique ray condition. You have done in 9th standard, might be in our old syllabus. By unique ray condition, constructing a ray OX and OY perpendicular to each other. So whatever we written at, that is by unique ray condition, constructing a ray OX and OY perpendicular to each other. Just in front of this triangle you draw, taking a point O as the originating point. Okay, here it is OX and here it is OY. They are perpendicular to each other, so you can say this angle is 90. Now second condition is what? By point plotting theorem, taking a point P on ray OX. Now I am taking a point P here somewhere on ray OX and Q on ray OY. I am taking what? Q. See here, P on ray OX and Q on ray OY, such that this BC is equal to OP. BC is equal to OP and this AB is equal to OQ. AB is equal to OQ. Clear? OP is equal to BC and OQ is equal to AB. Then you write here join PQ. So I am joining now PQ. Okay, take P here. So in triangle POQ, can you see POQ here? POQ, angle O is right angle. So right here, angle O is right angle. Therefore, what you can write? Hypotenuse is PQ. So PQ square is equal to PO square plus OP square. Pythagoras theorem. Now PO is equal to BC. So I'll write here BC square and AB, PO and OQ. Sorry, right here OQ. OQ is equal to AB. So we got AB square plus BC square. It was Q. Okay. Now AB square plus BC square, it is what given AC square. So I will write PQ square is equal to AC square right here, since AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. It is given. So PQ square is equal to AC square, or you can write PQ is equal to AC. So now for the two triangles we have the three conditions. So in the next segment, what I will do, I am considering these two triangle ABC and triangle POQ. So you will write here in triangle ABC and triangle POQ. Clear? ABC and POQ. You will write here, what you will write? BC is equal to OP, AB is equal to OQ, and AC is equal to OP. That we proved. So we can write that therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle POQ, by which criteria? Side. Now since the triangles are equal and you see that one of the angle O is right angle, so write down, since angle O is right angle in triangle POQ, therefore this angle B, what we wanted to prove, angle B, okay, angle B is also right angle in triangle ABC, okay. This is what our requirement. So it is one of the very easy theorem. You can see once again, if one of the triangle is given, we have to prove that B is right angle if the square of this side is equal to sum of square of two sides. What I did, I just drawn by unique ray condition OX perpendicular to OY, and then I took points P and Q in such a way that OP is equal to BC and OQ is equal to AB. Then I applied Pythagoras theorem here, PO square plus OQ square is equal to PQ square in this one. So I will put the value of PO and OQ as I have taken here. Then I will get this side equal to this side, that is PQ is equal to AC. So on the basis of that, I will select the triangle ABC and triangle PQR. I will give the conditions. Then triangle will be proved by side, and by CPCT, if this angle is right angle, so angle B is also what? Right angle in triangle ABC. So this is our requirement. It is our third theorem. Okay. So by this way we have completed all the theorems of triangles. Thank you.